Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing and reviewing the Playmobil Wiltopia Rainforest Nightlight set. Pretty simple set to build today, so it's going to be a quick video, but it's a really fun component to the Wiltopia range with this little light situation that we've got going on, and the audio component is wonderful. So really excited to share this with you. Let's get started. Alright, so let's check out some of the figures here. Once again, the detailing is really fun. I love the clothing. The backpack on this one's really great. I don't know what this guy's name is. I really need to be better about checking the manual. Sorry. This little gal here is also really beautiful. I love her skirt, as well as her the details of the necklaces that she's got going on. And then we've got just a classic Playmobil bird as well. You know, it's just simple. But I think my favorite figure in this set is this owl. Where I live, we have a lot of barred owls, and this kind of resembles that. I don't think that's what it's supposed to resemble, but whatever. I like it because it looks like a barred owl. As well as the toucan is a lot more detailed than previous Playmobil toucans. The beak looks a little bit more robust and colorful, as well as the blue feet, and the back of the tail has some color as well, which is really fun. And yeah, this is the set for y'all. So what you're listening to right now is actually the sound that comes with the Nightlight. So fun, and I love this feature. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and we'll see you next time.